Okay, so I'm doing this problem. Not 100% sure if this is recording right now, but I'm going to give it a shot. So let's see. This problem is from Danielle out in California. She has this problem on her physics homework tonight. Let's see. It says that a 2 kilogram ball is falling and a radar gun records its velocity as 5 meters per second. This radar gun has an error of plus or minus 2/10 meters per second, meaning the difference between the ball's actual speed and the value of the radar gun records is at most 2/10 meters per second. The ball's kinetic energy is given by the following equation. Ke, which is kinetic energy, is equal to 1/2 mass times velocity squared. So we can use this video to do part A, and then I'll do part B and C in the next videos. So let's see. We'll start off with what we're given. We know that's pretty crooked. We know that Ke, which is the kinetic energy, is equal to half of the mass, which is given to us. So 1/2 of the mass is going to be equal to 1/2 times 2, because they tell us the mass of the ball is 2. So you want to put that in there in the parentheses. Let's see. And then multiply that times the velocity, which is 5. And we're going to go ahead and just square that. And then it's pretty straightforward from there. We're just going to go ahead. Let's switch colors up. We're just going to take that 2, put that up there. 2 times 1 is 2. 2 divided by 2 is just 1. So this all just turns into 1. We will drop that down here. Very straightforward. It's 1. And then we're going to take that, square that 5. 5 times 5 is 25. And then that tells us that the final result is that 1 times 25 is 25, which is going to give us the answer. So that's what the kinetic energy is equal to. Now also remember, since this is physics, we do have to do units as well. So you just want to go ahead and take into consideration what they give us. We know that 1/2 is just the coefficient on the mass, so that's unitless. But we do know that we have kilograms times meters per seconds. So what we wanted to go ahead and do is just basically, we're just going to kick the kilograms up there with the meters in the numerator section, and it's pretty straightforward. That's it. I mean, that's the mass that's going to be on the kinetic energy. It's going to be kilograms times mass over seconds. Kind of a funky little S in the bottom, but you guys get the point. And that is going to be our answer for part A. In the next video, what I'll do is go ahead and we'll do part B. Okay, so stay tuned. Thanks.